Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to add effects on Instagram video call using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So as you can see here on my screen, you can see these three stars, right? So that is the effects option or button. So I want you to do is to click on that. Okay. So there, and you can see all of the effects. But if you want to explore for more effects, you can click the browse more effects at the lower right corner of your screen. And now you can see all of the effects. So just go ahead and choose any effects that you want, and that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.